Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Coach unboxing. As you guys can see, I have the package here. This box is actually huge. This one is gigantic. Oh my gosh. So anyway, I got this item. This item is actually part of the Memorial Day sale or summer sale. So when I saw this on the website, I said, finally, this is the item that I have been waiting for. I have been waiting for this particular collection to put them on sale because with the original price it's a little bit hefty for this piece, but I know this particular item is one of the iconic pieces from Coach, and I am so excited because this is going to be my first item in this collection. And yeah, it is finally here, and I am surprised that I was able to get this so quickly. This one came in with this massive Coach gift box. And let me just put this box away so I will be able to show you the item that I got. Let me undo the ribbon first. Oh my gosh. So I actually requested a gift box for this because you know guys, sometimes with the courier they just throw your package away. I mean, when they put it in transit, and sometimes if you don't really put a lot of protection in it, sometimes it could cause some scuff or scratches for the item, especially if you're buying an item that has a delicate leather, especially with the smooth Glovton leather. So those are some of the delicate leather that Coach has. So I decided to include the gift box for this. I have requested for that. It's not necessary, but I just really wanted to protect my item. So anyway, okay, let me show you what I got. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this. Really, very excited. And I've been eyeing this particular piece in quite a while now. The packaging is beautiful, very lovely. And let me show you. Oh my gosh, here she is. Oh wow, this one is heavy. I did not expect that this one is really heavy. It has a lot of weight to it. Oh my gosh. This is part of the 1941 collection. As you guys can see, the dust bag actually is made up of cotton material. It is not the shiny ones that usually came with it. It's a very nice dust bag. So here comes. Oh my gosh. I have never seen this in person, and oh my gosh, here she is. Here comes. This is my Rogue briefcase. So I've been wanted to add Rogue in my collection, but I don't know, for some reason it's just there are some cons to it that I didn't like it so much. But then again, I was looking for a briefcase for work. I saw this one on sale. I am considering getting this to use for work, and finally I was able to get it in a great price. Look at, oh my gosh, this is very soft. I mean, the leather, guys, this one is made up of genuine Glovton pebbled leather, and it is very soft. It just feels so luxurious, and the quality, right away I could tell that this one is made up of a high quality materials. Oh my goodness. This one is in color. They actually call this one a dark denim color. So I found this on a men's collection because this is generally for men, but well, I think I consider this one as a unisex because you could just you know, put a little bit of embellishment in it and a little bit of like a feminine touch to it, then yeah, you could actually make it work like that. So this is beautiful, guys. This one is, it has this pewter hardware, and I know that for the fact that I am not a fan of pewter hardware, but that's the hardware. Oh, hold on a minute. Let me just take a look. So let me just remove some of the stuffing here because they put quite a lot of stuffing on this bag. Okay, here's the handle. So they actually put the handle, they hide the handle right here on the pocket. Okay, so that's what they did to it. So let me just remove some of the stuffing. Okay, so this is how it looks with the handle. Oh my gosh, I don't know, for some reason for the Rogue, I love the top handle. I love how structured it is. It looks very sturdy. And this one has a contrasting stitching to it, which is more likely a lighter blue. This is a dark denim. Very, very nice. Wow. And also, this one has two outside compartments. So one here and one on this side, and both sides. And then there's also one compartment right at the middle. So the good thing about this is that the compartment right here on each side, it has this magnetic closure. See? So it is magnetic. So it actually adds more security of the purse itself. Wow. This one is so beautiful. Wow. I didn't expect it at all. And also, so okay, the inside, this one is lined with suede. How beautiful is that? Wow. Oh my goodness. It's very, very nice and smooth inside. This one is lined with suede on this compartment on the outside. On the other side as well, this one is lined with the suede as well. Wow, beautiful. Oh, the hang tag is here. So this is a 1941 hang tag, and this is the product information and the code that came with it. So this one, I'm not sure if this is a return item because obviously this one it's actually not wrapped in its original packaging, and I'm probably gonna have to take a look. I mean, right away when I look at an item, I could tell if the item is returned or not, or it's used. But looking at it right now at the bottom here, it seems like there is a little bit of like a scuff right at the feet of the purse. But then again, with the pewter hardware, you could easily spot those scratches. But this one is a little bit like, you could actually tell that this one has been used because there is a lot of scratches, and you could really see that the pewter hardware is fading. Really nice. Look at the 4 feet at the bottom, and right here the marking is genuine gloved and pebbled leather. Wow, I totally love the pebbling, guys. Very, very soft. It is shiny. It looks like a real leather. It feels luxurious. And definitely, even though if I would pay, I must say, the original price, which is $695 for this, I think it is definitely worth your money, knowing that this one is made up of leather and it is lined with suede as well. So now, right here in the middle, this is also my favorite part right here in the middle, where you could, if you want to secure your items, your documents and stuff, you could just, this one has a zipper closure in the middle. And as you guys can see right there in the middle, this one is lined with a jacquard material. Wow, there is a lot of compartments inside. Beautiful. Wow, very nice. And this one has the patch grid right there. Wow. And it has weight to it, I must say. This is not a lighter purse. And I had a feeling that if I'm going to start putting my stuff in here, this is going to be more likely on the heavier side. So I am not intend to use this as a crossbody. That's because I am more likely using this as the top handle. I am the top handle person. So anyway, the side corner, it is beautiful. There is a stamping right there. It says 1941. Wow. Look at the sides. I like that the sides, they reinforced this with the leather and they didn't use glazing in it. That is beautiful. And if you guys can see right here at the handle and this part of the purse, that's the glazing. But so far, looking at the glazing, seems to be like very well intact. The craftsmanship and the quality is amazing. The stitching, guys, those large stitching right there is absolutely gorgeous. That totally highlights the purse. On the side of it, beautiful, very nice. I was thinking of how this would look if this one has the brass hardware. I was like thinking about, or maybe a silver hardware though. But yeah, beautiful color, very soft. This one is made up of a really, really nice pebbled leather. Wow, definitely worth your money. And oh my goodness. Yes, okay. I'm going to show you this strap. So this is the strap that came with it. It is the same color with the purse. It has a pewter hardware as well. Wow. Very soft. They always have a really nice strap. But then again, I won't be using this strap for the purse. As you guys can see that, yeah, this one, there is no like packaging on this. Apparently this would be, I'm not sure if this is the last item, because when I checked this on the website during the sale, I saw several of these that's available, and then it got sold out maybe the next day. But yeah, the color is amazing. And then the feel, the luxury feel to it, which is the most important, and also the quality, the craftsmanship is there. You could not beat that, as well as the price. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. This is actually a really nice purchase. I didn't put a thought into it. As soon as I saw this on the website and sale, right away I put it in my cart and checked out, and that's it. I was able to get this so quickly though, for some reason. I'm not sure, maybe when I place an order in the next couple of days, it's already right in our doorstep. So this one is so beautiful, guys. I would highly recommend this. They also have this available in black, and also right now on the website, when I check the website, this one is available in a smooth, more likely in a taupe color or brown color, dark brown color. And that one is not on sale. It is in a regular price. But I prefer the pebbled leather over the smooth leather for some reason. Oh my gosh, I just can't get over of how beautiful the leather is. See, it is very shiny. Wow. As you guys have noticed right here, there's a mark because they actually tucked in the handle. And yeah, that is actually like an indication that this one is actually made purely with the leather, and the leather that they use for this is, wow, it's amazing. So I might probably gonna have to put some stuffing in this to be able to straighten that one out. And this one, guys, at the bottom, this one is not structured, and because see how soft that is, very soft. And if you're just gonna have to lay it like this, so yeah, this one it appeared to be lumpy, like just like that, if you're just gonna layer. So I was thinking of actually putting some sort of a bag shaper. I could do that myself. I could make that myself. And as far as like, guys, if you are looking for new purses and also wanting to add more in your collection, this is the perfect time, because Coach started their Memorial Day sale. If I'm not mistaken, last Thursday, I guess, May 27. And I'm not sure in when it's gonna be the promotion, or the promotion ends. Probably it's gonna end until summer, I guess, because this is the memorial sale or a summer sale, or probably while supplies last. So yeah, if you are looking for a Coach purses, this is the perfect time. They have a lot of new items on sale, and they keep adding it every single day. And so far right now, there's over 100 items that is available to purchase. And I'm telling you, I have several of my favorite purses that I have been eyeing, and I am still waiting for several of those Coach. I think there was several of the old collections from Coach I purchased last week, and yeah, beautiful, beautiful. It is amazing. So yeah, so what are you guys waiting for? Go and check the website. You will definitely gonna get the great deal. They are around, I think they're around probably like as low as 50% at the moment. And yeah, check the website, and you will definitely gonna love it, because they added a lot of new colors, especially the black and white. Usually, like, Coach never like don't really put that on sale. And yes, they have those options now. And yeah, before they sold out, go and check it out. And this is definitely beautiful, perfect as my work bag. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.